cultural classmates. My name is Cardenas. This course is qualitative and quantitative research. In this opportunity, I am explaining the information about the article that is to qualitative research. In this case, I chose this article using fun activities to improve listening skills. In this case, I can observe the different information. For example, in the abstract, it's possible to identify in this article three aspects where the students are focused for developing listening skills. In this case, I mentioned what these three aspects. The first is the scores of a student's listening tests are under minimum required. Two, the most students have an interest in listening activities or develop activities for learn these skills. Three, the students have a problem to understand native speech in a tape record or the other activities that include listening. So, the idea is to implement and use fun activities in the form of games with the design of the study was classroom action research. The idea is to involve, according to this article, different activities that promote the listening skills. According with this, in my opinion, it's possible to determine the methodology used in the article. Now, I explain this information or my opinion about the methodology. According to the article, it's possible to identify that have they interesting about the improve when there is use the fun activities, not only develop the listening, but also the speaking, reading, and writing skills. Now, I can to determine that some qualitative studies do not employ any specific theory. However, the case can be made that no qualitative study begins from prior observation and there are prior conceptual structure composed of theory and method provides the starting point of all observations that say shown 1993. Well, on the other hand, it's possible that the investigation tries to boil the information to the experience of the participants with this inquiry construct a rich, detailed description of the central phenomenon. On the other hand, it's possible to show with these articles that show the results in the test and information with a certain percentage where the students present a score under the maximum score. It's necessary to implement the change and keep in mind the use of fun activities, the form of games as proposed Moho 30. Additionally, it's possible we see qualitative studies that contain no explicit theoretical orientation, in which inquirers attempt to build the essence of experience from participants. With the inquiry construct a versatile description, evidence, and possible improvement in the developing the case, the enthusiasm, motivation, interest for developing listening skills through the fun activities that promote the participation between learners. Well, according with this information and this article, through the different tools or test, it's possible identify that improving listening skills because the teachers implement activities for develop these skills. In this article, show you the methods, the information and graphics and statistics that um, show the truth about this project and incentivate with the percentage if possible get um, improve in these skills and propose different activities, conclusions, and information for develop again in the class and the step by step performing these activities in the students and get a better result in this ability. According with this is my opinion about the qualitative research and the determine what is the methodology that this article is possible that implement. Thank you for your attention and see you next class. Thank you.